Hello students, welcome back to your computer class. We are on the 4th chapter, editing in MS Word. Now editing, you know children, editing means making some change in the document. In the earlier videos, I have shown you how to open the MS Word window, how to type in the MS Word. We have learned little bit about the tools of MS Word. And I have shown you how to save a document. We have learned the use of copy, cut and paste. We have learned how to remove a portion of our text by using cut and by delete. Today I will show you how you can correct any grammatical mistake or spelling mistakes if you have made in your document. How can you correct it? Writing a sentence grammatically correct and making the spellings correct is very important, otherwise the reader will not get the proper meaning of your text. So suppose you have made a spelling mistake in this. Let us consider this word grammatical. Suppose instead of writing double M, you have written single M and you have moved the cursor, you have pressed the space bar. Then see, like this, two lines have appeared, no? Over here you can see a green wavy line and over here a red wavy line. This green wavy line is showing us that there is a grammatical error in the sentence, and this red wavy line indicates a spelling mistake in the word. So our MS Word also provides us some ways to correct it. Maybe you don't know that what is the actual spelling of the word. So how you can do this? There are two ways. I will show you both the ways. First we have to go to this review. Here is this review, you can see. Go on this review. Click on this spelling and grammar. On clicking, it will show that the spelling mistake is this grammatical spelling is written wrong, and this should be the original spelling. You have to click on this change. On clicking change, the correct spelling is taken, and here you have seen that a green wavy line was given because between the two words extra space was given. What was the mistake that we have done? See, it is written here, extra space between the words. So this was also grammatically wrong because I have given two space between two words. When we are writing a sentence, I should have given only one space. So this also we will accept and they will correct the spelling. All the spelling mistakes are corrected and this dialog box will appear after all the mistakes are corrected. The spelling and the grammar check is complete. So click on OK and you can proceed with your text now. Now see, the green wavy line and the red wavy line has disappeared and all the grammatical and spelling mistakes are corrected. This is a very helpful feature that our MS Word provides us, so that even if you don't know the proper grammar or the proper spelling, the feature will help you to do this. Another useful feature is the thesaurus tool. I will show you the use of this thesaurus tool also. This tool is used to find the synonyms. This tool provides us a list of synonyms. Synonyms, you know, children, the words with similar meaning. It will give us a list of words that has similar meaning with the word we are looking for. Say, let us select this part. Correct. We will go to the thesaurus tool now. Over here is the tool. Click on the tool. On the right hand side you will see the list of word with similar meaning. Synonymous word will appear. I will click on this thesaurus tool and this list has appeared. This is a list of word for the word. This is a list of synonyms for the word correct, and a scroll bar is also given here. The adjective form, the verb form, everything is given. You can select a word from here. And in this video I will also show you the shortcut. The shortcut to get the thesaurus tool is, you will select the word that you want to know the synonyms of. Select the word, and on your keyboard, this is the keyboard, the first row of your keyboard has some function keys, F1, F2, F3. You can see up to F12 is given. These are called the function keys. Now we will use F7. For thesaurus we will press Shift and F7 together. Since I am doing it with one hand, so I am doing it like this, but when you are working on your computer you will do it with two hands. I have hold the camera with my left hand, so I am unable to show it like this. With your left hand you will press the Shift, and with your right hand you will press the F7. Okay, for getting the thesaurus tool in a shortcut way using your keyboard. And for doing this grammatical correction and this spelling correction, say, I will show you this once again. Say this word mistake. I have not written this T. So this is a wrong spelling. How will I correct it? I will select the word that is underlined that I want to correct, and I will press F7. Just simply F7. On pressing F7 it will show me that these are the mistake. This is the part that you have spelled wrong, and the correct spelling for the word mistake should be this one. We will click on change and the word is corrected. So I hope this much will be enough to complete this chapter. If you have any more queries, children, you can always call me, and we will start with the exercise very soon.